How to use Zalando promo codes. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use Zalando promo codes. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now head over to zalando.com. Make sure to sign into your account. After you have signed in, you want to explore the website and find the items you want to purchase. Simply click on that. Now you want to choose your size and color, then click on the add to bag option. Now click on the bag icon, and then here you will find the checkout page. Now you have the voucher and gift cards option. Click on this drop down menu. Now on this box you want to enter your promo code, so you can head over to any reliable website that offers Zalando's promo code. Find the one that is appropriate for you. Here I have one that is going to give me 15% off of the order. Go ahead and click on the copy code option. Now head over to the website. Here on this box, simply paste the promo code you have copied. Now click on the apply option. If the promo code you have entered is valid, it will be successfully redeemed. And in this way, you can use the Zalando promo code. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.